Hi everyone, welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best handheld steamer for clothes available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Rowenta DR8220. Let's get started. Product feature: experience professional-grade performance with 1,875 watts of power, delivering intense steam that smooths out even the most stubborn wrinkles in no time. Perfect for those busy mornings, this steamer is ready to go in just 25 seconds, so you can look your best even when you are in a rush. This versatile tool doesn't just remove wrinkles, it also refreshes and sanitizes your garments and home textiles for a cleaner, healthier home. Enjoy the convenience of up to 10 minutes of continuous steam, allowing you to finish multiple pieces of clothing without stopping. The extra-long 9.84-foot power cord gives you the freedom to move around easily, making it simple to steam long dresses or household curtains. Rest easy knowing this device is completely safe for all fabric types, providing gentle yet effective care for everything from denim to delicate silk. Its thoughtful, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to use, ensuring a seamless experience every time you refresh your wardrobe. Pros: you will truly appreciate how this steamer transforms your morning routine into something effortless and calm. Its incredible speed means you spend less time working and more time feeling confident in your favorite outfits. We love how it cares for delicate fabrics that usually require a trip to the dry cleaners, saving you time and money while keeping your home textiles fresh. Cons: while the steam is powerful and effective, the 10-minute runtime may require a quick refill if you are planning to steam a very large batch of laundry all at once. It also carries a bit more weight than smaller travel units because of its high-performance motor and durable build. Final thoughts: choosing this steamer is about more than just removing wrinkles. It's about the feeling of stepping out with total confidence. It provides a gentle touch for your most cherished clothes while giving you the power to handle everyday life with ease. Having such a reliable companion in your home ensures that you and your family always look polished and feel your very best. Your wardrobe deserves this kind of care and attention. Check the price link in the description to see more. Subscribe to Dude's Tech and like this video if you enjoyed these insights. See you next time.